Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming the watch has at least 20% battery and that your phone is paired. This prevents mid-update failures. Open the Watch Settings app or the companion app on your phone to reach display and wallpaper controls. Once done, back up the current watch face or wallpaper image so you can restore it if needed. This safeguards your setup and speeds recovery if a new image fails to apply. You now choose and optimize the image. Pick one that matches your watch's aspect ratio. Many use square or custom ratios because mismatched shapes stretch or crop important parts. Crop to keep faces and text away from bezels and sensors, and resize the image within app limits so the watch can render it quickly. Make sure the file format is supported by the device. Doing this prevents errors when the watch attempts to process and display the wallpaper. Apply the wallpaper from the watch or companion app and allow the device full time to sync. You'll see progress or a confirmation when complete. If the image doesn't appear, reboot the watch. This often clears temporary cache and forces a reload. If problems persist, reset display settings or reinstall the companion app. Doing so clears corrupted settings that block wallpaper updates and usually restores normal behavior without wiping your personal data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.